Darlings, we are making fries with vegetables. As you can see, I'm on my vegetables and also chicken and chicken gravy. So this is what we're going to have for today's dinner. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Making fries. My water is in already. Let me just on it. Our fries is already done. Yeah, with the chicken. So guys, welcome back once again to my channel. I hope you're all good. So today you are spending our evening with us. I hope you enjoyed this vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Making the sauce that I'm making. Chicken sauce. So this is the chicken gravy granule that I'm using, and also I added aromat, all-purpose seasoning. So let's taste and see. My veggie is almost done. I burned my hand. You can see, guys. I keep burning myself. I don't know why. If I should stop cooking. Hey, and what would I eat? For cooking, I can't stop cooking because cooking, I love food. So obviously, I need to cook. I hate buying from outside as well. I'm always cooking. I was cooking. It's in home meal food. Look, our chicken sauce, gravy sauce is ready. Darlings, food is ready. Come and let's enjoy. Why? I've got my vegetables, you know, also my chicken gravy stock, which I just made, and then my chicken, roasted chicken, and also I've got my fries. So I'm going to enjoy. You're all invited. Bon appetit. Let's take this chicken and see how it goes. So yummy.
Hey, you.
Yes, let your kite.
I gotta take that book away.
Good boy. B.
Oh, that would be epic.
C.
If that pick, I kicked it. I even need to graduate off.
A.
Boring.
A.
It still even looks nice. And I don't care
A.
about my thing like that.
B. A. Gerard, what?
Sabotage. Hey.
Don't do that, sir. Gerard, how do you give it to him?
Hey, you don't like that fast. How about this? Psych!
How do you give it to him?
Please have it. No, you have to come here to get it. Mommy, look at it. They're not done. Wait.
Oh, it's there already. Stop, Gerard.